Now we come to what is called as MCB. So MCB is a circuit breaker, and it is very commonly, it is seen in our houses. And can anybody say what does M stands for? I told you CB is circuit breaker. What does M stands for? Can anybody guess what does M stand for?
Mechanical, sir.
Mechanical. Good try. It is not mechanical. It is
Miniature, sir.
Yes, it is miniature circuit breaker. Miniature means smaller form of circuit breaker. So this figure is shown in a very big way, but actually it will be very small in size. So it's an electromechanical device. So you have to mechanically turn on or turn off this accordingly. So it's electromechanical device which will prevent your electrical circuit from abnormal conditions. So if some fault is going to happen, it will be automatically coming to off position. And only when you on it, it will be on. Otherwise, it will never go to on stage automatically, but it will come to off stage automatically when it detects that some abnormality has happened in your circuit, some fault condition has happened in your circuit. See, normal current for all our application in our house will be ranging from zero point 0.5 to 63 amperes maximum. The maximum you can have only 63 amperes. So the short circuit current will be in the range of 3 to 10 kilo amperes. Yeah, current, if it is in kilo amperes, means it is such a huge amount of current. So if you are going to have such a huge amount of current flowing through your device, this MCB will detect it and it will automatically bring the switch down. It will pull the switch down. Down means it will automatically come to off position. So your circuit will be cut off from the supply. So it will be automatically pulled off. And what is the characteristic? So it rated current is not more than 100 amperes. So if the rated current is 63 amperes is the rated current means, so it can withstand up to 100 times of it. Or I can say 6,300 amperes or 6.3 kilo amperes can be withstood. Otherwise, after that, even this MCB cannot protect your circuit. So normally, trip characteristics are not adjustable. So it is not adjustable means once whatever reason 63 amperes above the current is going to flow, it will be automatically coming to off. And when the current is going to normal stage, it will never go to on stage accordingly. Once off now manually you have to go and switch it on again. Off, it's turning off is done automatically, but turning on is going to be manual only. Thermal magnetic operation. So it will detect, that when high current is going to flow, some sort of temperature change will be there. The temperature change will release the magnet, and this switch will be coming from off position to on position. If it is an on, means some magnet is holding this switch. So if the magnet is demagnetized, the switch will be released. It will come back to its off position quickly. So it is thermal electromagnetic operation. Okay. So this is the basic form of an MCB. So in your house, whenever you see this board, understand that this board is protecting you from all the short circuit current. Any doubt in MCB? Anybody is having doubt? I again say all these are basic. Sometimes you might be knowing all these things. So might be just a quick it will be just like a quick revision for you. Okay, so next one is MCB. Next one is MCCB. It is molded case circuit breaker. It is an extension of circuit breaker. It's a molded case circuit breaker. You outside, you see the switch position is same, and outside you have a casing. So the entire MCB is inside a case that is commonly used when the load currents exceed the capabilities of miniature circuit. When MCBs cannot do the job, these MCCBs will do the job of protecting the device when excess current is going to flow in your application. So they are used in applications where the current rating is adjustable. So you can adjust the trip settings which are not available in MCB. MCB is fixed, but MCCB is going to be a flexible type of circuit breaker which has all the provisions for fine tuning. Okay, so it can withstand up to 2,500 amperes. The trip settings are normally adjustable. So the main difference is MCCB can withstand very very high current, but your MCB cannot withstand so much of high current. You see here normal current it can withstand only up to 63 amperes, but here it can withstand normal current itself, which can withstand up to 2,500 amperes. So 100 times of this will be even it can withstand still it can withstand till 2.5 kilo amperes. And compared to MCB, MCCB is going to be more flexible. It is going to be more advantageous when heavy current is going to flow into your circuit. So MCCB is extended version of MCB. MCB is miniature circuit breaker. MCCB is molded case circuit breaker. Okay, so next one is ELCB. ELCB is earth leakage circuit breaker. ELCB is earth leakage circuit breakers. So it is a safety device used for installing electrical device with high earth impedance to avoid shock. So you see, whenever when you always have an earthing, why you do earthing means whenever any excess voltage you predict that will happen in your circuit, you connect that to ground. So all the excess voltage will go to ground. Okay, ground will have very less impedance. So whatever voltage you have, it can easily go to ground, because whenever you have potential difference, you can easily ensure that current is flowing, right? So ELCB is one device which will ensure that whatever excess voltage is there, it is going to be either given to ground, or that voltage is completely avoided using high impedance earth. So this ELCB is going to project itself to be a high impedance circuit. High impedance means current is going to be less. Okay, by maintaining the less current, this ELCB can protect your devices from getting damaged. So two types of ELCB are there. One is operating based on voltage, one is operating based on current. Okay, so whenever you find that the impedance is going to be very, very high, the current will be less. So when current is less, the voltage also is going to be less. So this circuit breaker, what it will do, it will connect the phase and earth wire and neutral. So this this depends on the current leakage. So it is mostly working on the current leakage, and it is used with three circuits. So it will connect the phase, earth, and neutral. Neutral, you know, it is available in star network. In star network, you have four terminals. The fourth terminal is called as a neutral. Phase means you know that winding is called as phase. So once you connect all these things, any excess thing, even if the neutral cannot handle, it will be handled by your earth wire. Okay, so this is the functionality of ELCV, earth leakage circuit breaker.